for the first time in the history of our species, we may actually be seeing signs of life elsewhere.
For centuries, humanity believed Earth was unique, the only cradle of life in a vast silent cosmos. But in our quest for neighbors among billions of stars, we now have a planet unlike any we had ever found before. Scientists are calling it K2-18b. Why is this an astonishing discovery? It is a world with clouds, rain, and possibly oceans. A living, breathing atmosphere. Temperatures there might range from -73 to 46 degrees Celsius, colder than Antarctica or warmer than a spring day. Most shockingly, a humongous amount of dimethyl sulfide and dimethyl disulfide has been detected. On Earth, these gases are produced only biologically by marine phytoplankton and bacteria. Scientists say if the origin of these molecules is similar to Earth, then K2-18b is the holy grail of extraterrestrial life. In this video, we will talk about the possibilities. The journey to discovering K2-18b did not start with a single telescope or a single mission. It was the product of decades of ambition, technology, and perseverance. In 2009, NASA launched the Kepler Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering designed with a singular mission to find planets beyond our solar system, exoplanets. Kepler scanned patches of the sky, staring at hundreds of thousands of stars. It looked for tiny dips in brightness, events so slight that would be invisible to the human eye. These dips meant that something had passed in front of the star, a planet. This method, called the transit method, would revolutionize astronomy. By the mid-2010s, Kepler had confirmed over 2,000 planets, but few were like Earth. Most were either scorched gas giants orbiting too close to their stars or frozen barren worlds. Still, hope persisted. In 2014, Kepler's second mission, known as K2, began, and among the countless stars, it focused its gaze on a small, cool red dwarf star, 124 light-years away, in the constellation Leo. This star was called K2-18, and orbiting it, a strange world waited to be found. In 2015, astronomers poring over K2's data noticed something. A star dimmed, not once but twice, at regular intervals. The timing was crucial, about every 33 days, and the dip was just the right amount, suggesting a planet about twice the size of Earth. This planet was designated K2-18b. At first glance, K2-18b seemed intriguing. It was a super-Earth, a planet with a mass and size larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. Even more compelling, it orbited within its star's habitable zone, the region where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. Water, the one ingredient we believe is essential for life. In 2019, using the Hubble Space Telescope, a team led by Professor Giovanna Tinetti of University College London made a historic announcement. They had detected water vapor in the atmosphere of K2-18b. The technique they used is called transmission spectroscopy. When K2-18b passed in front of its star, some of the star's light filtered through the planet's atmosphere. By splitting this light into a spectrum, scientists could look for chemical fingerprints. And there it was, clear signs of water molecules. It was the first time water had been detected in the atmosphere of a potentially habitable exoplanet. But the most recent discovery about K2-18b has been done by NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. As the largest telescope in space, it is equipped with high-resolution and high-sensitivity instruments, allowing it to view objects too old, distant, or faint for the Hubble Space Telescope. It is through this telescope that a vast reservoir of dimethyl sulfide and dimethyl disulfide was found. On Earth, these gases are produced only by marine phytoplankton and bacteria. Professor Nikku Madhusudan, the project leader of the Institute of Astronomy at the Cambridge University, said,
"This is one of the most profound moments for me personally, as well as an astronomer."
But it's not just the signature of organic molecules, it's the sheer amount of it that is utterly shocking. If the association with life is real, then this planet will be teeming with life. If we confirm that there is life on K2-18b, it should basically confirm that life is very common in the galaxy. But make no mistake, K2-18b is not a twin to our Earth. Its mass is nearly 9 times that of our planet. Its gravity would be crushing to a human being. Its thick, hydrogen-rich atmosphere would be toxic to breathe. And yet, hidden beneath the clouds, if an ocean exists, it might shelter life. Not life as we know it, but microbial life, alien and adapted to the planet's extremes. We are arrogant in thinking that we know the real definition of life, because all we know, all we have ever known, is just life on Earth.